Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 9 human foods that are safe for cats. You sit down on the sofa to relax and enjoy a scrumptious snack. Moments later, your cat coils around your legs and plops down, begging for a tidbit of your treat with a sweet meow. Although you would be happy to share a taste, you guiltily say no, knowing your munchies are bad for your kitty. Not only can human food be perfectly safe for cats, but some of your groceries could actually be good for them. Here are 9 human foods that are safe for your cat to eat. Number 1. Pumpkin. Skip the spice and just give your kitty the pumpkin. Pureed pumpkin has fiber and nutrients that can help with everything from constipation to hairballs. Number 2. Rice. Although not a necessary part of their diet, a little bit of white rice won't harm your cat. In fact, it might be helpful if she's having some digestive issues. Number 3. Carrots. While cats, unlike humans, don't require veggies in their diet, they can be a safe and healthy treat. Your cat might nosh on some cooked carrots, but avoid raw ones as they may be a choking hazard. Number 4. Fish. While you don't want your kitty eating from the aquarium, feeding him oily fish such as tuna or mackerel can help his eyesight, joints and brain. Number 5. Meat. Poultry, beef and other meat is a natural option for your little carnivore. Cooked poultry is your best bet. Skip meats high in sodium, such as cold cuts or ham, as too much salt can be toxic to cats. Number 6. Bananas. Kiddos aren't the only ones who can benefit from bananas. They can be a healthy snack for cats, too, although they should only be a special treat due to their high sugar content. Number 7. Melon. Many cats enjoy small pieces of cantaloupe, honeydew or seedless watermelon. Plus, melon is high in vitamins A and C. Number 8. Berries. Lower in sugar and high in antioxidants, blueberries and strawberries are good fruits to share with your kitty, although probably not in a pie. Number 9. Oatmeal. Oats have lots of fiber, iron and even protein, all of which are beneficial to your cat's overall health. You can also use them topically for skin problems. Of course, any and all of these foods should be given, as occasional treats is part of a balanced diet. Talk to your vet about the best food to feed your cat daily, or if you have any concerns about what your kitty should or should not be eating. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.